Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Revit has gone through countless changes and upgrades over the years, and it really shows with every new version they release. We've also covered some of Revit's hidden features here on the channel, and if you haven't seen that yet, it's definitely worth checking out. Today, we're breaking down Revit's best features, the core tools that shape how we model, collaborate, and document projects from start to finish. We'll take a look at the features that save time, reduce errors, and make complex projects easier to manage. Once you're ready, let's get started. One of Revit's strongest foundations is the parametric components, also known as families. Instead of redrawing elements, you define how they behave. Change a parameter like height, material, or dimensions, and the entire model updates instantly. This keeps every view consistent and eliminates repetitive manual edits. At the core of Revit is intelligent 3D modeling through BIM. Every plan, section, elevation, and schedule is generated from a single source of truth. When the model changes, all related documents update automatically. Built-in clash detection helps identify issues early, reducing costly errors before construction begins. One more powerful feature in Revit is linked models. Instead of combining everything into one heavy file, you can link architectural, structural, and MEP models together and keep them updated as each team makes changes. This makes coordination faster, keeps files lighter, and allows you to detect conflicts between disciplines early without losing control of who owns what. Revit's automated documentation ensures your drawings are always in sync with the model. Views, sheets, and schedules update live as changes are made. Phasing tools also make it easier to manage renovations or multi-stage projects, while exports maintain professional drawing standards. Quick pause for the architects and firm owners out there. If your deadlines are piling up and you need support with construction docs, we get it. At MGS Global Group, we're architects helping out other architects. We've been doing this for 18 years, and our team plugs right into your workflow with on-demand project architects who are experienced in BIM. And we can start in as little as 24 hours. Visit us at mgsglobalgroup.com to learn more. All right, back to the video. Recent updates continue to improve Revit's performance, from faster graphics to better handling of large models. Features like reality capture meshes also support scan-to-BIM workflows, helping bridge the gap between real-world conditions and digital models. In summary, Revit's best features focus on intelligent modeling, efficient collaboration, and automated documentation. Master these tools and you'll spend less time fixing issues and more time designing. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe for more Revit tips and workflow breakdowns. Let us know in the comments below which feature do you rely on the most. And as always, happy drafting!